Hey everybody, welcome to beautiful and sunny San Diego. Oh, that's not it. Okay, a little bit nicer. Still not quite there yet. All right, so I think we're in a better spot now. I mean, we're not quite in San Diego, but it's Southern California. And do you hear that sound? That's what I'm talking about. Let's go see what Shane's up to. What's the story, man?
Well, we're gonna fly a drone over La Jolla, California. Get some beautiful ocean shots, some shots of the houses, the architecture, and on low battery. So I like to live dangerously.
Hope you enjoyed that little B-roll sequence. So Shane and Kristen here.
Hi.
They decided to take me to Pollo Loco. Is that what it is? Loco Pollo?
Pollo Loco.
El Pollo Loco.
El Pollo Loco. So I am trying for the first time ever El Pollo Loco. Here's the taste test. They give you fries. These are new fries too, by the way. Yep. They told me to get some churros with their cinnamon something. They give you extra little flour tortillas plus the chicken, and I got black beans. Fries are good. Black beans are good.
Dun, 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 dun. Chicken.
The chicken. One bite didn't do it. I had to take a second bite.
Yeah. Maybe there's some salsa on it.
It's a light seasoning. It's kind of got a rotisserie. Yeah, you said rotisserie feel.
Dump a little bit of that on the meat.
Oh.
Then you're living it. Then you're really living it.
Are you telling me to dip my meat into that?
Yeah.
Sounds like it'd be a good.
She just questions your motives.
No.
Never take me to the
That was a little spicy.
all over my eyes.
It's got jalapenos.
Jalapenos on a steak. Not bad. Would I eat it over KFC? I think it'd be a nice alternative.
Healthier option.
You think so?
Breaded.
Okay, I'll give you that. All right, so there we go. I made it to El Pollo Yoko. I don't know why I do that. I'm a horrible person, but I made it to El Pollo Loco, and my review is that, damn, it's pretty good. I'd probably do it again. Way to go! Okay, so I'm coming to the end of my little mini adventure with my buddy Shane. We did some work for a client of his here in San Diego, and had a really good time, experienced a lot of really neat things. Currently I'm waiting for them to message me and tell me that they're ready to check out of the hotel. I got a chance to hang out with the dentist that he is working for, and I got to hear her story. We got to have dinner a couple times. I found out she has a really crazy, somewhat, I would say, inspiring history based on where she grew up and the things that she went through. I'm not gonna go into detail on any of that because that's kind of her story. But she did write a book about it. She moved to the States after fleeing the country she was from, and she went to school to be a dentist. She found out a passion that she loved. I think what it comes down to is I got to see somebody, I get to listen to somebody talk about their journey and what it took for them to make their life happen, I suppose. She lives in this beautiful San Diego. I've been impressed. 60 degrees, it's their winter here. A beautiful place. My dad grew up here for part of his childhood as well. But the life that she's made for herself, and the investments that she's done to get her to the point that she is, very inspiring, and she inspired me. I mean, that's probably redundant, but sitting there listening to her and my buddy Shane at dinner talk about the things that they've done to get their things going, to get their businesses going, has inspired me. Being a creator and wanting to make really cool things that's the thing I think that drives me. But the business aspect of things, listening to these entrepreneurs, I don't know if I said it right, but do their thing. There's this concept that most people have a dream that they follow and they don't really know the business side of things, but they figure out how to make it work because of, I guess, survival instincts. So I guess it's something that you teach yourself along the way. So while I've kind of started my journey toward where I think I want to be, I'm using this little moment as a learning experience, and hopefully I'll figure out where the hell I'm going. I have dreams, I have plans, I've set some goals for myself for 2020. Now I guess it's time for me to follow through and make them happen. Not just for me, but for my family, for my wife, for my kid. I feel like you got one of these. You got one life, and I think it's our duty to make that life happen. Nobody knows what happens when you die. What I do know is being in a place like this and seeing these people make their lives work, I want that, and I'm gonna make it happen. You know, there's a whole lot of random B-roll in this thing probably that just make no sense. I will say, I did get a chance to try a couple restaurants and fun foods. I got to I learned how to eat noodles with chopsticks yesterday. Chopsticks are already hard to use, but Janice, the woman we were speaking with, we went to a noodle restaurant, an Asian noodle restaurant, and I taught myself how to eat noodles with chopsticks. And by the end of it, I was feeling pretty accomplished. So with that one little thing, I know that anything is possible. Yeah, this one life to live, I'm gonna keep trying new things, and I'm gonna push myself to make those things happen and make my dreams a reality. I've got my dream, and I've written the goals down, and I'm gonna start checking them off. These are the things that I gotta do. So, I hope you enjoyed sunny California, 60-degree weather. It's cold here, but for them, for the locals, but for us it was fantastic. So, yeah, I suppose I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.
I feel so weird.